Hi guys, welcome to the Goodie Giveaways live prize draw. Today what we're going to be giving away is the Dolce Gusto coffee machine starter kit. There was 200 entries in this one, so pretty much let's get straight into it. Just show you it's all working. All the entries are there. Get straight into it and we'll draw a winner. Number 170 is Janet Moore. Congratulations, Janet. We'll be in touch with you as soon as possible and get this all delivered and sorted out for you as soon as possible. We've got, just show you the competitions we're currently running at the moment. So we're running this Amazon Smart Home Bundle. You can enter this one for free if you go over to our Facebook page and follow our Facebook page. Tag 2 friends in the comments of the photo of this Amazon Smart Home Bundle, and then we'll send you a discount code so you get up to 20 entries free of charge. So this one's a good one to get involved with. And then we've also got, can't forget the Subaru Impreza. So 2003 import this was. You can enter up to, can't remember off the top of my head. Yeah, I thought so. It was unlimited entries per person, so you can buy as many tickets as you want for $3.49 a piece. And that's pretty much it. Congratulations again to Janet Moore. We'll be in touch soon. We've got some good prizes coming up. Start of next week, hopefully, we'll get them uploaded onto the website and post about on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you all for tuning in. We'll see you in the next one, guys.